What just 2 drops of rosemary essential oil do to your lungs, cough, headaches, and memory? These days, the tendency of using essential oils for therapeutic purposes is becoming more and more popular. Well, according to Modern Essentials, a guide to the therapeutic uses of essential oils, rosemary essential oil is the best and most effective one. High-quality rosemary oil possesses potent antibacterial, anti-cancer, analgesic, anti-infection, antioxidant, antifungal, expectorant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Health benefits of rosemary essential oil. Respiratory issues. It has been shown that the scent of the oil has the ability to provide relief from throat congestion. Also, it is very effective for treating colds, flu, sore throat, and allergies. Memory booster. After all, Shakespeare was right for claiming that rosemary improves memory. According to a number of researchers, when the essential oil from the herb is sniffed in advance, it enables people to remember to do things. Numerous tests showed that people who have been exposed to rosemary essential oil from the herb had 60 to 70% better memory in comparison with people who had not been exposed to the oil at all. Rosemary essential oil can be used for treating many health issues, including clarity. You should add a drop of rosemary essential oil to your hands, rub together, and cup your nose and mouth for up to 1 minute. Cough. Apply 1-2 drops on your chest and throat and massage every few hours. Headaches. Add a drop to your hands, and cup your nose and mouth for up to 1 minute or apply a drop topically to the aching parts of your head and massage gently. Vaginal infection. You should massage 1-2 drops in or around the vagina. Make sure to test for sensitivity before internal use. Learning and memory. You can inhale the oil directly from the bottle, diffuse it throughout the room, apply to your toes, or rub over your temples on a regular basis. Add 2 drops of rosemary essential oil on the shower floor in order to clear your sinuses, improve your memory, boost your immune system, and prevent colds.